assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
So this problem tells us we have a 100-watt light bulb that is turned on for 0.15 hours with an initial volume of 0.85 liters and a final volume of 5.88 liters, and with a P external of 1.0 atmospheres. And we want to find the work and the heat of this light bulb and use that to find the delta E, or the change in internal energy. And so first we can find the work, which is equal to negative P delta V. And so our -1 atmosphere times our final pressure minus our initial pressure. And that gives us negative 5.03 liter atmospheres. We want to convert that into joules. And so when we do that, we get 509.66 joules. And so this is our W. Now to find our Q, we just take our power times time. And so we're given our power in watts, and we want to convert our time from 0.015 hours into seconds. And that'll give us 54 seconds. And so our 54 seconds times our 100 watts, we get 5,400 joules. And since joules are equal to watts times seconds, we know that our units are right. So now all we need to do is find our delta E by using Q plus W. And so we take our heat, 5,400 joules, minus our work, 509.66 joules, and we get our answer rounded to 3 sig figs to be 4890 joules. And so that is our final answer for the change in energy.